Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am joined by my awesome neighbors, the Caspers. Do you want to tell everybody what your name is?
Charlie, Madeline, Miss Bree,
and David.
Hey, Mommy.
And they came up and Charlie said, "Can we mulch?" Which is basically like my dream come true. And so we are gonna mulch. You know, I was so inspired after being at the Ralston Arboretum yesterday where they had everything cleaned up and mulched. Everything was neat and tidy. And I was saying yesterday, boy, we've got to get that mulch that we got a couple weeks ago put out. Today's the perfect opportunity.
What Nick did.
That's right. So we are going to put this on time lapse so that you all can enjoy our progress on the world's most. And is today the best weather day ever?
Yes.
It really is. All right, everybody, enjoy watching all of us get mulching.
So we finally finished the bed after a lot of hard work.
That's right.
Work. That's how you get to everything. And it's just so satisfying to look at all of this beautiful bed. We just got this little part right there that we didn't have enough mulch for, so well, we'll finish that another day, but that was fun.
I can't believe that we got the entire wagon undone. You guys are amazing. Give me 5.
Careful.
Oh, let's not rip the rye. Let's leave the rye.
Beautiful
where it is.
rye, fluffy.
It is fluffy. The cats like to sit in here.
Oh.
And Ava Grace likes to nibble. That makes it cute. Well, thank you guys for coming down today and motivating us to get mulching, because this was not even remotely on my radar, and we got the whole thing emptied.
Yeah.
Well, be sure to like and subscribe so that we stay motivated to continue doing all this hard work in the garden.
Yeah.
And be sure to tune in for more updates as we all continue to make more progress here in our Zone 7 Central North Carolina gardens. Thanks for watching, everybody.